In this video, we want to teach you the XY cutter interface. The training is for those who are going to be operators of cutting machines. We will explain each element and where they are used or might be used. The first thing you should pay attention to is the online light. This light shows the connection status between the software and the controller hardware. When the software successfully connects to the controller, the online light turns yellow. If there's no connection, the light remains off. If your system doesn't go online, the machine will not operate. So checking the online indicator is always your first step. It tells you whether the hardware and software are communicating properly. These axis indicators show the readiness of each axis based on the ready pin status of the servo controllers. If your machine is using stepper controllers, the on-off state of these lights will not give you meaningful information. They are only functional when working with servo systems. In servo mode, if the wiring and settings are correctly configured, these lights will reflect the servo's ready status. Otherwise, they have no practical use. Next is the alarm indicator. This light turns red whenever one or more axes encounter an error. It also activates when a limit input is defined for the machine, and that limit input becomes triggered. In both of these situations, the alarm light will turn on to warn you that the machine is not in a normal operating state. The emergency indicator is directly linked to the emergency input. If you have defined an emergency input and it becomes activated, this red light will turn on as well, indicating an emergency condition. If no emergency input is configured in your system, this indicator will remain unused.